Just a boy who loves garbage trucks. Every little boy loves the trash guy. He's fascinated by him. My 5-year-old sits at the window and watches the trash guy. The way it moves, it sounds, it's like the highlight of his week. So this is a great throw blanket for a child, a little boy, a great gift idea. It's really soft and cozy to the skin, so comfortable and nice. Great for a throw blanket on the couch, on your bed if you're watching a movie, if you are just snuggled up in your bed and you want something to cuddle you that's soft and cozy. It's brightly colored, green truck, blue words, black blanket. The back side is a blank white.